Hello guys, in this video I will show you how to apply for the new BitPay card. But first of all, I just want to mention, please don't forget to subscribe to my channel because at 10,000 subscribers I'm going to show you my whole YouTube revenue statistics and my growth strategy, how to make money online. So let's jump into it. First, open your BitPay app, and then you have two ways to apply for the new BitPay card. First one is on the home page. If it appears for you, the coming soon, join the new waitlist and be first to experience the new BitPay card. Or if you don't receive this notification, you should go to the card section right near the middle button, and here on the top of the list is going to be the something exciting is arriving. Join the waitlist and be first to experience the new card. And by tapping on it, you can read what is the card all about, then choose your country, then tap continue, type in your email address and just tap on the add me, and then you will be notified when the card is available and you will receive your BitPay card, and you can use it to pay with cryptocurrencies and buy at any store. So that's it for this video. I hope it was helpful for you. If it was, please consider subscribing and see you in the next one. Bye.